Hello everyone, today is 2025, April 13. Welcome to our channel. This is the sixth video for Olympiad Math, and today we are working on an equation which is x plus y equal to 2, and what is x5 plus y5 equal to, so the condition is if x plus y equal to 2, and x5 plus y5 equal to 82, and what are x and y. Let's start work on this equation. So if we combine two equations in statement, we can have x5 plus 2 minus x to the 5/5 power equal to 62. Okay, then we can just rewrite the above equation is equivalent to 82 minus x5 plus 2 minus x5 0 equal to this. Okay, so we can just keep simplifying things. Okay, sorry, my bad. Then we get 82 minus x5 plus this is 2 to the 5 minus which is we need like the fifth power equation which is going to be 5 times 2 to the 4 times x and plus m choose 2 5 choose 2 which is 10 times 2 to the 3 x squared, and then we do the minus 5 2 to the 2 times x to the 3, and then we do plus 10 it's plus 10 2 to the 3 2 to the 1 2 times x to the 4 and minus x5. That is the equation. So this 5 is actually 5 choose 1. This 10 is actually 5 choose 2, which is become 5 times 4 divided by 2 is 20 divided by 2 is 10, and this is still like same as 5 choose 10, and this is 5. That's the correct number, and everything else just the power 2 to the 4 x to the 1 to the 3 x squared to the 2 x3 2 to the 1 x this. So we just can in the next step we are going to cancel the x to the 5 which is going to be 2 to the 5 is actually 32 minus this is 5 times 4x plus 10 times 2 to the 3 x squared minus 10 times squared times x3 plus 5 times 2 times x to the 4. Maybe let's put things back. Every time we just simple one step, which is much better. This is 5. Okay. As we can see, this is 10 times let's write it like what look like. This is 82 plus 32 minus 5 times 16 x plus 10 times 8 x squared minus 10 times 4 x 3 plus 10 times x4, which is 114 minus 5 times 80 plus 80 as well. This is x squared. This is minus 40 x to 3 plus 10 to the x4. Okay, that's roughly the equation we get here right now. Now let us like we can actually think about what to do next. So we can guess some equation to do the decomposing, which is x plus minus 1. Let's say equal a equal to 1, here b equal to 2, a equal to half. Okay, b is negative 2, I think. B is negative 2, which is 4a squared, or 2a squared minus 4x minus 1. In this case, a is equal to 2, b is negative 4, and c is 1. So the above equation is 4 plus 16 minus 8, and divided by 4, which is 1, divided by, this is 8, divided by 4. This is actually, so we need this to be negative, I think. Okay, that's the right answer. So by doing some guess, we somehow need a 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 to show up. Okay, let me think how to do it. Oh, sorry, the equation becomes smaller now, my bad. So okay, let me do it. Okay, so we can get is 114 minus 80x plus okay, let's write down something from right hand side, it's better. Okay, let me reorder them. Minus this one, sorry, 80x plus 114, this is equal to 10x4 minus 40x, no, not 40, I think. What I need is 2 times 20x3 and minus 5x2 x squared. Okay, and then we will add something back, which is let me see what I should add back. So then I still need to have minus 20x3 and plus 95x squared and minus 8x plus 114. Sorry, am I doing correctly? Oh no. So it should be minus 2 actually. I see. Minus 2. So it basically 1x squared minus 2x minus 1. That should be the right answer. 1, 2 minus 1. 2, sorry, 4 minus plus 4. Okay, that's the right answer. Actually, square 2. Okay, the term I'm trying to fix is wrong. Okay, it's x squared minus 2x minus 1. So let me do it. So this is minus 2x. That's the right answer. Add 100. Sorry, 90. 90. Okay, that's the right equation. Let me just add this one here. What is the answer now? Oh, this should be minus, my bad. Sorry guys, I make a lot of mistakes, that's why I get something funny. Okay, all this sign should be flipped. Let me try to fix them. And now the equation become much nicer, okay? We don't need to do some gas, okay, my bad. Let's see what we can get here. Oops, I have some error typing here, seems. Let it uncompile. Okay, we can take the 10 outside error there, which becomes 10 times, I think it's 5 plus 8x minus 8x squared, plus 4x cubed minus x4. Now, like the original equation looks like you have 5 roots, but if you end up solving this one, you only have 4 roots. The above equation is equivalent to, okay, now let's do we need to decompose this one into like x plus a times x plus b times x plus c and x plus d. Okay, here is some trick we are going to use. By guessing some twice, we will see we can actually get x4 minus 4x cubed minus 2x squared, and then we can minus 2x cubed plus 10x squared minus 8x by 5. So that's the first equation we can get. Okay, and then we can actually get the second equation using a similar way by doing 2 times x cubed minus 5, so minus 2x squared minus, sorry, this should be not be 2, just 1, and then you get a minus x squared, it will be 9, this should be 9 here, okay, and you get another plus and minus x here, okay, and in this case, remaining x square power is going to be 5, x power minus, as you can see, your x is also losing something, which is 10x minus 5. You can double check here. Let's check the first step, the first row to second row. Okay, you can actually get x fourth power is correct, x third cubic power is also correct, x square power is also correct, and the other things are correct. So now the same first three terms are same, and let's check x cubic term is correct, and x square term is 9 equal to 4 plus 5 is correct, and the negative 8x is equal to negative 2x plus 10x here. So this is plus 2x is minus 10, that's correct. You have minus 5. Okay, and then you can actually rewrite all the equations in the following way. So this is x squared times x squared minus 2x minus 1, and you get 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 1, you get 5 x squared minus 5x minus 5, and then you can merge them together, you become x squared minus 2x minus plus 5 and times x squared minus 2x minus 1. Now if you solve x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0, then you have x is equal to 1 plus square root of 2, or x is equal to 1 minus square root of 2. Okay, and if you solve x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 0, you will get x is equal to 1 plus 2 times I, and x equal to 1 minus 2i. Okay, and using y, x plus y equal 2, we get all the four cases where y is actually equal to 1 minus square root of 2, y is equal to 1 plus square root of 2, and 1 minus 2i, and 1 plus 2i. Yeah, that's the correct statement for the final answer. Sorry, I make a lot of mistake at the beginning by using the wrong terms, miss the minus sign and plus sign. It's a common mistake when you write proofs, and that's how we get all the solutions. So if you are not sure what are the solutions, I summarize in conclusion, xy can be 1 plus square root 2, 1 minus square root 2, and 1 1 minus square root 2, 1 plus square root 2, and 1 plus 2i, comma 1 minus 2i, and 1 minus 2i, 2i, comma 1 plus 2i. Okay, thus we've solved the problem. I hope everyone liked the video. Sorry for making a mistake at the beginning. And if you have better solutions how to solve this problem, feel free to let us know. And have a good day. Bye.